What's up guys? How you all doing? Sandeep, Ramesh here. A very good morning to you on the first Saturday of 2021. I'd like to wish you all a very happy new year. A happy 2021. So today is another new day, another new episode where I will take you to places where you could visit or explore near Bengaluru. Today I'm going to take you to a place where it's another set of windmills about 180 or 200 kilometers from Bengaluru. So stay tuned for the action to be unveiled. But before that, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Hit the bell icon to stay notified on all such discoveries that I make and the season long episodes that I do when I tour. So stay tuned. So finally I've hit the nice road. I'm running a little late. All of my mates at Tribe are already at the breakfast point. So gonna catch him as soon as I can. Now we are on our way to the trails. Okay. The name of the place where we are headed to is Seegegudda Kaval. First time I jaga hesru kelta irodu. I don't know how it's gonna be. Let's see. Bye everyone. See you. Bye bye. ಏನಾಯ್ತು? And here we go. Oh, top box open aitu. Manit. Top box open aitu. Okay, so one quick break and now we are all set to hit the trails, which is about I think about 5 kilometers away. So adukagi, changing the gloves as well. It's always better to go for off-road gloves. These are not touring gloves though. It is Gore-Tex. So it's another beautiful location that Sumanth has scouted. Oh. Anisha? Yes, thank you Sandeep. And, so yeah, I was telling you that it's an interesting one that Sumanth has scouted. So this is Hassan daatidivi and that's where we are headed now. Hassan admele towards Chikmagalur. Somewhere on the way you'll spot windmills, and whenever you spot that, just think about this beautiful mountain ranges across. And okay, all set to roll through the trails. so much of air. So Nodi, this is the lineup. Manju on his 3RRR, the new variant. Sandeep on his Africa Twin. Nama DJ Mahanit on his Multistrada. Maz on his 2020 Africa Twin. Nama Arjuna, Nama tribe the Leonardo da Vinci artist. And my twin Sumanth on an Africa Twin. Okay, this trail is gonna be an experiment. So I'm ಗಾಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ handlebar raises ಇತ್ತು, and that was causing a lot of problem for me to do trails. So I've removed that. So gotta see how this results. And yes, the noise that you hear in the background are my dear brothers from tribe. The vlogging ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಟಾರ್ಚ್ ಶುರು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು. Little more closer to the windmills. ನೋಡಿ ಜನಗಳೇ, ಅರ್ಜುನ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಇದೆ. ವೈ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಡಾಂಕೀಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಶೀಪ್ಸ್? ಯಾರೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಕಾಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ನೋಡ್ರಪ್ಪ. ಏನಮ್ಮ? Traction is off. ಅರ್ಜುನ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ನೀನು? ಹಂಗೆ Come on, you can do it, you can do it. 3RRR on the hill climb, made it look so easy. Come on Arjun, come on. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಅರ್ಜುನ್ಗೆ ನಿದ್ದೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಎದ್ದಂಗೆ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ. Okay, let's go. Windmills and tribe. Okay, so far this is a very comfortable setup for me when compared to the previous. I want to give myself some gap between me and Sandeep. Super Maz. Om Namah Shivaya. Sumanth, super location. This is the place where we are at. This is called Seegegudda Kaval. What a beautiful place this is. Don't worry, airport hatra illa navu. I know the sounds is very similar to that, but this is because of the almighty windmills. Hey, the jaga. This is just a small portion of what we're gonna do today. Bahla chanaಗಿದೆ jaga. What's up, guys? Sandeep, Ramesh here. A very happy new year to you and your dear ones. So this is the first ride that I'm doing in 2021, and what a beautiful place where we are at. This is very close to Hassan, where we are. So of late, the person that you see here, Sumanth, he's the scout master. This location is yours. And here we have Manju, who's riding with us for the first time. Mahesh gottalla. So he's a close friend of Mahesh. Yeah. And what's amazing is that, you know, he's come on his street triple R. Yes. Probably one of the first in Bangalore, I think you got?
Yeah, the R thing.
R, yeah. It's a beautiful machine. Ali, there it is. So this is DJ's multi-strada, and of course you recognize this beautiful machine. This is my Africa Twin with an Akrapovich. This is another Africa Twin, another Africa Twin, another Africa Twin, and another Africa Twin. These are artists, Leonardo da Vinci.
And the buffet.
And the buffet. Very important when you do trails. Keep yourselves energized and whatnot. This is Sandeep Anand.
Hi.
This is Arjun Anand.
What's up?
And this is Sumanth Anand. The Anand brothers from another mothers. And there you have DJ and Maz.
DJ, you stand like this, you look like a statue. How did you go up there?
So yeah, beautiful place, beautiful venue, more to come. So I hope you're liking this vlog. So yeah, 2021 has started on the right note. We've hit the trails, and it's probably one of the most beautiful venue that we are at. And yeah, I mean, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit the bell icon, because I will take you to places near Bengaluru where one can explore, enjoy, and do not litter the places where you go. All right. Holy shit! This is a view, what? How's this for a view? Is that everything that you see here? So this brings to the end of the trail for today.